How to get your ex-boyfriend back. You had a particular guy in your life, and now that it's over, you want him back. Don't give up on your relationship. It's not unheard of for a couple to reconcile after some time apart. Before attempting to get back together, be sure to give your breakup plenty of thought, because doing so will help you make the relationship work the second time around. 1. Consider the reasons behind the breakup. Take a good, hard look at the circumstances that led to the breakup as your first step. If you try to get back together, think about if these similar issues will likely result in further issues or if you can overcome them. 2. Why do you want him back? Consider this. Even when the relationship was not a good fit, breaking up is never simple. It's important to consider your motivations for wanting to win your partner back because of this. You should probably think twice if you want to get back together because you are depressed, lonely, or don't like being single. 3. Spend time on it. It's essential to give yourself and your ex some time apart from each other before attempting to mend things, because relationships typically finish in turbulence. You too must be able to go past the hurt of the breakup's immediate shock and consider your true desires. 4. Recognize that it might not be successful. You must accept the possibility that your efforts to win back an ex-boyfriend may fail. There is no guarantee that your relationship will endure even if you are successful in winning your ex back. To prevent being taken completely by surprise by heartbreak a second time, be prepared for this ahead. 5. Boost your confidence. Utilize this chance to put real effort into loving and caring for yourself. You will be more equipped to enjoy a healthy, long-lasting relationship if your self-esteem is higher. 6. Speak to his pals. Ask his friends whether they believe there is a potential that he may want to get back together with you, if you have any mutual friends, or if they would be open to speaking with you privately. 7. Make contact first. Ask your ex-boyfriend whether he'd like to do something as friends, such as go out for a drink, see a movie, play a game you both enjoy, or hang out at the mall, when you're ready to start spending time with him again. 8. Be the person with whom he fell in love. Give your ex reasons to recall all the things he likes about you while you're hanging out as friends. Put your best qualities forward. 9. Show him your transformation. Make the most of your time together as friends to demonstrate to him how you have been developing yourself. For instance, if your tardiness used to irritate him, make it a point to arrive at your destination a few minutes early. 10. Have a direct conversation. Unfortunately, there isn't a foolproof technique to figure out if your ex-boyfriend wants to start dating you again without first asking him. 11. Decide to improve your relationship. You both need to take action to ensure that the issues that led to your last breakup won't interfere with your relationship again if your former lover accepts your return. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.